in this video I will explain a flowchart to print 1 to 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us start our flowchart by using start symbol. So here the first number, it is 1, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the starting number is 1. So I have to store this 1 somewhere. So I will store it in count equal to 1. So this is a process here. So I use rectangle or process box for writing count equal to 1. I am assigning a value. So now the count became 1. So each time I will change the value of count and that value I will print. So now the count is 1. So when it is 1, I have to print the value of count there. So I will use parallelogram for printing count, print count. That means the value of count will be printing. So now it is 1. So it print 1 here. Now how I will go to the next number, that is 2. I will increment count by 2. So here I write count equal to count plus 1. So count equal to count plus 1 means, so I am going to increase this count by 1. That is 1 plus 1 is 2. So now the count is 2. Can I print this 2? No, because I have to check this number is greater than or equal to 5, because I have to print from 1 to 5. So I will check whether this number or this count is smaller than 5. So I will use decision symbol for checking. So that is count less than or equal to 5. So if it is smaller than 5, I will print it. Smaller than or equal to 5, I will print it. So I get two answers, that is yes or no. So I will check this 2 is smaller than 5. Yes. So what will I do? So I will go straight to print count. So why I did not go to the top? Because if I go to count 1, again the value of count will become 1. So I don't want it to become 1. I have to print what is the value of count, that I will print it. So I will go to print count. So it is 2. So I print 2. Now again I have to increase this count as 3, isn't it? So again here count equal to count plus 1 will work. Now again the count became 3. Now again I will check whether the count is smaller than or equal to 5. So 3 is smaller than 5. So here the answer is yes. So it will go to print count again. So the value is printed here. This 3 is printed here, isn't it? Now again I have to increase count equal to count plus 1. So it became 4. Again I will check whether it is smaller than or equal to 5. So it is smaller than equal to 5. So it will go to print count. Now again I have to print this 4, isn't it? So I use this print option and it is printing here. See? Now again I have to increase this count as 5. So I use count equal to count plus 1. So it became 5. So again I am checking this 5 is smaller than or equal to 5 here. Why I use this equal symbol? Because I need to print 5 also. So 5 is equal to 5. So it will go to count again, print count again. So again the 5 is printed. Now it will not stop here. Again count equal to count plus 1. So it became 6. See? The value of count became 6. Now here we will check, is count less than or equal to 5? Is it true or false? Is it yes or no? No. It is greater, isn't it? So it will go to no, and here we will stop it. So this is the working of this flowchart. Actually this is very easy. You will just assign count equal to 1 because the starting value is 1. That is why we give here count equal to 1, and we are printing 1 2 3 4 5. It is increasing by 1. That's why we give count equal to count plus 1, and we need till 5 only. That's why we give count less than or equal to 5. Suppose if you want to print from 2, then you will use count equal to 2. And if you want to print like alternative number, then you will use count equal to count plus 2. Here the value we give here 1 because we need to increase by 1. If you want to increase by 2 or 5 or 10, you will change it here. So after that, if you need to print 1 to 10, you will change it here, the condition. It will be like is count less than or equal to 10. So I hope you all have understood this flowchart. If any doubt, you can comment on the video. I will be back with another video.